YouTube, what's good, what's good? It's your boy Double S Cuts. You already know what's going on, man. I'm back with another vlog. I'm vlogging right now from Florida, man. We get ready to go to the Prostyles Barber battle. We're gonna be introducing that Empire Barber belt. I didn't introduce it yet on my channel as far as talking about it. You probably see me cutting with it, but yeah, man, it's very convenient. You can use your tools on the go. Any cordless clipper you got, your shears, combs, brushes, anything you need to put on your person on the go. You will love this product, I promise. Empire Barber, man. Go on the website. If you're watching this vlog, gonna be interested in this belt. You need this belt. I promise you, if you cutting on the go, if you wanna speed up your time on cutting, you gonna need this belt. If you out there doing house calls and celebrity calls, wherever, man, you gonna need this belt. It's something to have. It's like you already got 5, 6, 7, 8 clips, but you don't use them all at one time, but it's good to have them, right? Same thing with the belt. It's good to have it. You might not use it every day. I'm not gonna say you're gonna use it every day, but when you wanna, say you got 15 to 20 heads today, you're like, I ain't playing, I don't wanna be looking for nothing. And you know, a busy day, your station can get real crazy. So put the belt on. Put the belt on. Now you got all your clippers. Boom, boom, boom. You feel me? We getting ready to go to the Prostyles Barber battle. We have all type of competitions going on. Fastest fade, best design, best creative duo. Like, it's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. The weather, man, right now is crazy in Tampa Bay. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I don't even got a jacket on. This little weather right here, it's like 60 something, man. This shit feel good. But right now, I'm getting ready to go to the hair store. I need a couple of things. I wanna check out the hair stores around here because, you know, I know how my hair stores is in my city, so I want to see what they got in their city. You know what I'm saying? Like Chris Bazio say, if you're ever in Tampa. But yeah, I might pull up on Chris Bazio. Chris Bazio, where you at? I'm looking rough right now, and that's on purpose. That's on purpose. I want to be able to get my hair cut at the show. You know what I'm saying? I got my shit coming over my lips, man. I'm gonna head to the hair store, get a couple things, man. Show you the rest of the day.
It's your boy Maxed Out Cuts, and we here at Villa Rico, whatever you call it, Florida. And we putting our faith forward. We're gonna sell out every belt, and we're gonna make this thing happen today. Let's go, man.
My man packed the car. Look at this shit. We packed that motherfucker. Hey, we thugged it today.
Thugging rugged right here, baby.
Thugging it.
This the groundwork. We gotta lay the groundwork real quick, man.
What it do?
What's up, what's up, what's up? It's Donella. I'm here in Florida. Nails cut, holla at us. Empire Vendors Table.
She fresh too. Look at the hat.
Oh yeah, always
look at
fresh.
Look at the kick.
Woo. Check me out, Nelly Nails. I'm always fresh with the clothes and the cuts.
The table set up. Feel me? Mike getting it right. What's up, Mike? Man, how you feeling right now?
Man, we out here. We hustling. We doing what we gotta do, man. Let's eat, bro.
Oh, that shit dope, bro. How long did it take to do that? Probably like 3 hours. 3 hours? Never see it back? That shit dope. That shit dope. You did that?
I did it.
You did that, bro?
Yeah.
What's that? Say your name.
I'm just kidding. Bobby Blend. Bobby Blend.
Bobby Blend? That shit hard. These shits is hard, man. Where you find these from, man?
Yeah, my supply.
You said what?
My supply.
Your supplier?
Yeah.
This is hard, man. I ain't never seen them shit like that, bro.
They got 2 case. Got 2 case.
Oh shit, we can put a lot of shit in. Yo, that shit hard, bro. What's your name on YouTube?
My Instagram, Rolex Barber. Rolex_Barber.
That shit hard, man.
A live action demo on how this Empire Barber tool belt works, and we're gonna put it to you right here at Empire Barber at the Prostyles Barber competition right here in Puerto Rico, Florida. Let's get it.
And the winners of the A-Rod competition nationwide, brought to you here at Prostyles Barber Battle, sponsored by Roda USA, Celebrity Barber Studio.
So right now, y'all seen them boys on the stage, man. Those were the tag team champions from last year. Them boys is going crazy in there right now.
Hey, bro, they came out like they was about to box.
Hey, for real, like,
Yeah,
that's why they cut the lights off. I'm like, why they cut the lights off?
Right.
A lot of people speaking Spanish right
We
now,
in
you know what I'm
their
saying?
hood.
But
We in their hood right
we in their
now.
hood. I don't know what they saying,
But they know.
but I know they talking about
us.
the belt.
Yeah,
Y'all
right,
talking
right.
about the belt. Y'all
Right,
see the
right.
belt, you talking about it.
So right now, all we're doing is laying the foundation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Because when you
yeah.
start something, you know, it's not everything is not just gonna come to you. You
Yeah.
gotta work for it.
Yeah, you got to.
You know what I mean? So
Got to.
by us driving all the way down here
Right.
and putting it in their faces
Yeah.
is enough. And then the next time we come to Florida, they're like, oh, they're gonna
Oh yeah,
Empire Barber
they're the
Boys.
Empire Barber Boys.
But
Every
we gotta
time.
start making noise.
Yeah.
You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
yeah.
Like we gotta start being
Yeah.
leaders and
that's
shit.
That's why even being in the competition with the belt is gonna turn up shit. One guy, he bought the belt and then he tried to go into the competition with it. You understand? And I was, you know, he didn't have the flow right. He didn't have his flow right yet.
Like from going from this to reaching
To
up and
reaching
down.
down.
You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying?
yeah, you're
And
right.
understanding that
You're
it's
right.
on you.
You're right.
That's you can't. It doesn't happen like that.
Yeah, it doesn't happen
you
like
know
that.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, right.
It's something
Yeah.
that you gotta
Word.
get used to.
Word. You a barber, bro? You come over and step right quick, bro. Tell us what you think about this belt right here, man.
Yeah.
I have the barber polo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's good.
Absolutely.
So,
I like
man.
everything that it fits.
Yeah.
You can actually adjust it.
Yeah.
It makes your job easier.
Word.
Absolutely.
Word.
Like
Right.
it's easier for
Right.
you to not to move, turn around.
Exactly.
Barbers we have to be turning around.
Man, look, man, your
Absolutely.
station be
Right.
crazy
Be
after a
like
whole
that.
day. You feel
Exactly.
me? Like,
Right.
You look at your station, you be like, damn, now I have to clean all this.
Absolutely,
If you
right.
have all that on top of you, it's right there.
For
Then
sure.
afterwards, you can clean and
For
sanitize
sure.
and put it on the side.
Man,
Absolutely.
That's
Right.
perfect.
you was in the competition, right?
Yeah, I actually compete usually.
What,
I
what
usually
you-
try
what-
to go to all of them. I
Word,
try
that's
to
what's
go
up.
all of them.
Word.
Just compete for the fun.
When's the
Word.
next
Don't
one?
matter. The next one, it's from what I know, it's gonna be in March, and it's in Punta Gorda. And then they were passing out flyers right now, and I saw that there's another one in April.
Yep.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
saw-
yeah.
yeah.
I'm definitely
We're gonna-
going. You're gonna see me.
Yeah,
You're gonna
yeah.
see me.
There's
I'll
one
be
more
there.
in February, too.
It's one in February too.
Yeah, I haven't heard it.
It's in Orlando.
February 18th.
February 21st.
21st.
Yeah, it's in Orlando.
Oh, you're gonna see me
Matter
there
of
too.
fact, I'm about to send it to you right now.
I'll see you with the mask. That's distinct too, man.
Yeah,
Doing something
thank you,
different,
man.
bro.
Appreciate
Doing
it.
something
That's
different.
what I'm trying to do.
Exactly. Like, oh,
Like
yeah.
you guys.
Yeah,
That's
for sure.
different. That stands out. It's
Right.
on the side.
It's on the
Usually
side.
people have it on top. I've seen it already like on top.
Yeah, on the vest,
I
yeah.
already seen it like a book bag. You
Mm-hmm.
feel me? I haven't seen that. That it
Yeah,
looks like on the
yeah,
side.
yeah.
The apron, everybody has that. I haven't seen that.
Yeah,
Instagram,
what's your Instagram, bro?
detail face.
Ooh, that's
DE
nice. That's nice.
DETAI
LED.
LEE.
Detail phase, baby.
Right there with the mask.
man.
There you go,
Yeah,
sir.
My phone dead,
Right,
but I'm
right.
gonna definitely follow you.
Thank you,
Matter of
man.
fact,
I
send it to me.
appreciate it.
Send it to me,
I
man.
got you.
Yeah,
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
What's up,
You have a
man?
good one.
You too, man.
Well,
Be
well,
safe.
Thank you so
give me-
much.
give me
Good
you,
luck
bro.
for everything.
Absolutely,
Nice
man.
meeting
Thank you.
you, man.
Nice to meet you
Take
too, bro.
So I'm gonna get another review real quick. Is y'all barbers, bro? Y'all brother?
What's good, bro? How you doing, man?
bro.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
word.
Word.
That shit look hard.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yo, y'all better follow me, Alex Blast. You already know,
appreciate you, bro.
You can follow it, that's me.
Okay.
That's me, bro.
That's you right there?
Watson Barber, yeah.
Watson Barber. Okay.
I was
Okay.
like the Joker. On fire.
Shit, top fire, bro.
What you think about this belt right here, bro? What you think about the barber?
Yeah,
Like, what you think about
it, man?
You like it?
Yeah, it looks
You know what I'm
good.
saying?
What color would you want to see in this?
Green.
Green?
Oh, that's my
okay.
color.
That's your color.
That's the same green.
Man, my shit is dead. So,
All my clients want to
how
do
did you get that color though?
That's easy, brother. I just bleach it 1 or 2 times.
In the same
Bleach.
process?
Yeah,
Same
yeah.
day?
Yeah, you can do it 2 times. But
So what volume did you use?
30 or
30,
20,
okay,
30 or
30.
20. It don't matter. If I got 30, I use 30. 1 scoop, 2 ounce, 30, how you call it?
30 volume? 30
Yeah. Put it maybe 45 minutes. If I see it's like white,
Yeah.
if I need it's too yellow, I clean it, but no wash, nothing. I take it out, the excess, I take it out and I put it again. If you wash it, it's not working good. A little bit and put it again. If you do it 2 times one day, 40, 50 minutes, your hair is not coming down. That's bullshit.
exactly.
You
Right,
need to do
yeah.
it like 5, 6, 7 minutes. All the time when I use the green, maybe I do it just 1 time. 40, 50 minutes, I use this crazy color, I think is the name. Crazy color, but toxic.
Okay. Oh, crazy color.
That's semi-permanent. You
Yeah,
gotta
we
blow
blocking,
something
yeah.
like that.
Yup,
Nice,
we
nice,
blocking.
nice.
Wow,
That's
wow,
what's up,
absolutely,
man.
man. We trying to take Empire Barber to another level, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just
And it's
launched.
working.
Yeah,
I know.
we just launched, you know what I'm saying?
I
So
know.
we trying to put ourselves in different predicaments, like different barber shows, and tell people get the hint, like, this is the best thing for barbers, bro. Like,
Right now it looks dope. It's like it's not heavy. You know,
It's not
chilly.
heavy.
I
Yeah,
never
we just
see it like that. When I see it, I see it for season, but not for everything.
absolutely. Yeah, man, we appreciate that too, man. Crazy
know,
color,
man.
we're gonna remember that shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And when I do one, I'm gonna tag you.
Yeah.
And tell me how you know.
You can text me, man.
Okay.
Oh, word.
I'm homeboy. I'll
Yeah.
text back.
Yeah,
That's what's
all
up, man.
right,
That's
all
what's
right,
up, man. Appreciate
Thank
you. Hold on, we gotta get my man's right here, bro.
Barber
And he's
Blue out
rocking
here
it
from
too.
Lakeland, Florida, exclusive cuts. Yo, check this out. This thing is wonderful. I love it. Y'all should come and get it, man. Look at that right there. Woo-wee. Get that. Here, let me give you a cut real quick. Hold on.
Right in the street, you feel me?
You
Word.
know, man. God bless you, brother.
Appreciate you, bro. But we out here, man. I'm fresh for my Tampa night.
Yeah. I need to get back. We're gonna take this from the ground to the top, man. Mark my words, Empire Barber is gonna be a leading brand in the industry. Let's go.
Man, so yesterday my camera died and I switched over to my cell phone, but man, yesterday was just crazy because my cell phone wouldn't keep a charge, my camera died. I was trying to use the girl behind the bar to charge our phones and shit like that. So got my phone back, it was like on 20%, started to do some filming, post on Instagram, post on Snapchat, and man, like it was just hard keeping batteries charged yesterday. But yesterday was very eye-opening on what they're doing down here in Tampa. They're killing the color game right now. They phase it crazy, but they adding that color. But that's one thing I like about going to a different city and seeing what they got to offer as far as on the hair game. Like this is an eye-opener for me. This is making me want to turn up. I want to turn up some more, and I want to be able to do multiple things as far as multiple textures. And they killing their texture. They killing their texture down here. Straight hair, that texture, man, that wavy texture. They killing it, and they killing the color game. They bringing something different to the game. I like to take what I see from other places and just implement it in my style. And that's how I create my style. I create my style by checking out other people, you know what I'm saying, listening to people, learning. I'm not ever gonna stop learning. That's one thing, like I'm never gonna stop learning. We will be back. Man, we got barber shows for the next 3 months. We're gonna be in Orlando, February 21st. I think we're going, I'm not sure what's going on in March, but March we will be somewhere else. People was loving the belt. As you can see, we had stopped people just on the side of the street. We said, well, I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I just want your opinion on the belt. What you think? And everybody was like, it's fire. It's hard. It's nice. It looks good. It's convenient. If you interested in the belt, man, I'm gonna put the website right here. Yep, EmpireBarber.com, man. I'm gonna end this vlog, man. It's been crazy. I got a crazy drive home. That's one thing I do not like is the road, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get on that road if you wanna make things happen. For real. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on, man. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm on the road to 1,000 right now. You feel me? And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. All right, it's your boy Double S Cuts.